What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be talking about why I think altcoins are going to be surging over the next week with Bitcoin moving sideways. I do think profits are going to be spilling over from top 10 cryptos into small cap cryptocurrencies that have huge potential. So we're going to get into that and talk about some big cryptocurrency news as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new cryptocurrency videos. So in this video, we're going to be talking about altcoins on Bullish on for the short term. Some of these altcoins are already moving up pretty quickly. Also, this video is sponsored by CryptoTrader.tax. I have done a video on this on how you can do your crypto taxes in just a matter of a few minutes. Last tax season, I did my own taxes. It took me over 12 hours to figure it out, find the correct form, do all the columns correctly and everything. It was a huge headache and a huge waste of time. So this tax software is just a one-time fee for the entire year. Very small fee depending on how many trades you have. And if you use my link in the video description, you will get 10% off whatever plan you decide to get. Also, I do recommend checking out the video I did here on this crypto taxes done in minutes. There will be a link to this video in the video description, along with a link to sign up for this tax software to get 10% off. Highly recommend this tax software. It saves you a lot of time and makes sure you do everything correctly to avoid fees and fines later on as well. We are coming up to the tax deadline here in April, so I definitely recommend getting this done. Basically, it gives you a sheet that you can print out and bring to your tax person, or you just integrate it into TurboTax, and then it will automatically connect that tax form and make everything much simpler than if you try to do this yourself. Also, my $25,000 cryptocurrency giveaway contest is now live. There's going to be 25 winners of $1,000 of crypto each, 10 winners of $1,000 of ETH, and 15 winners of $1,000 of SparkPoint SRK. SparkPoint did sponsor this contest, which makes it possible, so a big shout out to SparkPoint, which we're also going to be mentioning some huge news for SparkPoint in this video with their major first listing that just got announced. So if you guys do want to participate in this contest, there will be a link in the video description. The links are also on my Twitter. There will be daily entries here you can do that I will be adding. All right, guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, we still have Bitcoin holding around $50,000. We do have some altcoins up today. Cardano ADA up around 8% and Litecoin up 6%. Both of these altcoins, the only two altcoins out of the top 10 that are not down today. And I did pick up both of these yesterday in the first episode of the new trading challenge, turning $1,000 into $10,000. So definitely check out that video if you want to follow me on this challenge. We're trying to do 10x starting with only $1,000. I did get a lot of requests for this. So I do believe the longer Bitcoin holds around $50,000 and continues moving sideways, the more bullish smaller altcoins are going to be that have major events coming up, which we did talk about in the last trading series as well. So an article here on Cointelegraph that does support this. Altcoins bounce to new highs as Bitcoin price trades sideways under $50,000. Bitcoin struggles to hold the $50,000 level, while positive announcements help several altcoins break out to new all-time highs. So we are seeing some altcoins really starting to break out, especially as people are getting tired of holding top 10s waiting for profits. They're getting more likely to reinvest into smaller altcoins with major events coming up. So one altcoin today that had a major announcement is SparkPoint SRK, like I did mention earlier. So we've been waiting on the first big exchange for quite a while, and we got the announcement today. The first big exchange is going to be Kucoin. So I think this is one of the biggest announcements SparkPoint has made to date. So Kucoin is a top 10 exchange, currently ranked at 7th. It can also be used from the United States. And this is one of the primary places most people get smaller altcoins. It's definitely one of the best listings they could have gotten. And of course, everyone wants Binance, but Kucoin before Binance, I think, is a much better move. And of course, SparkPoint's main goal is to get on Binance, which is why they launched their second coin, SFuel, on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you guys aren't on Kucoin yet and you want to get prepared for trading SparkPoint here, you guys can use my referral link. I do appreciate that. You can go to JRNYcrypto.com/Kucoin. I'll put a link in the video description to sign up as well. I do really appreciate that. I'll also add a task in the current giveaway I'm doing to sign up on Kucoin here, which will give you a few more entries. So this is huge that SRK is going to be on Kucoin because SparkPoint has a massive month coming up in March as well. So every quarter they do a massive SRK token burn, which makes this token deflationary. So their current total supply is 14 billion tokens, and their goal is to reduce this to 10 billion. As you guys can see here, total supply is 14 billion. This started as 20 billion when they launched in early 2019, now reduced to 14 billion, and their goal is to reduce this to 10 billion by doing buyback and burns with their project revenue. And as you guys can see, the price of SRK is already moving up. So a huge token burn is coming up in March, as well as their new token S-Fuel is being airdropped to SRK holders at the end of every quarter as well. So the more SRK you're holding, the more S-Fuel you're going to be airdropped. At the same time, you can be staking your SRK and earning passive income on that. So Andy, the CEO of SparkPoint, just announced that you're going to be able to earn other tokens from staking your SRK and S-Fuel as well, coming very soon. This is going to get them a lot of partnerships with other cryptocurrencies. Not only is this good for marketing for the SparkPoint project, but it's also going to allow people that hold SRK and S-Fuel to earn other cryptocurrencies at the same time. You can also do liquidity staking with SRK, which does allow you to earn Ethereum and SRK or S-Fuel at the same time. They just launched on the Binance Smart Chain with S-Fuel, and they created a SRK token on the Binance Smart Chain as well, which is exchange 1-to-1. So if you guys do want to exchange SRK for smaller fees, you can use the pancake swap to pick up both SRK and S-Fuel now. So something else I really like about the SparkPoint project as well is they're the only project in the crypto space I've seen doing monthly roadmaps. And I really like this because it keeps investors updated. It has constant events coming up. This is on top of their long-term roadmap as well, which you could find on their website. Some huge events here. So I highlighted some major events here coming up for SparkPoint in 2021. In Q1, they still have the 4th game announcement and development coming, which should be sometime in March, along with the 4th buyback and burn program and the S-Fuel airdrop to SRK holders. Q2 here is massive. 2nd Spark DeFi DApp beta release, borrowing and lending. This is going to allow you to lend out your SRK and S-Fuel and earn passive income on that. Similar to how BlockFi, you can lend out your Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum and earn passive income. You're going to be able to do this on the Spark DeFi platform now as well with your SRK. So another way to earn passive income with SRK is coming. The official launch of that will be coming in Q3, and then another 5th game announcement and development coming. And then Q4 here is one of the biggest months to date for SparkPoint. SparkPoint Wallet major update, fiat integration upon approval of VCE license. So they did apply for a banking license here at the end of Q3 in 2020. As you guys can see, Central Bank Virtual Currency Exchange VCE license application. That is massive. That'll allow them to do cross-border payments and be able to buy cryptocurrency directly in the SparkPoint wallet with fiat currency and be able to cash out as well. So that's a massive thing. They did raise money for this, and they are in the process of getting that banking license. They may even be able to use this to open their own centralized exchange. So listing on a first-tier exchange in Q4, of course, the goal is going to be Binance for that. This could happen sooner. It could happen in Q4. We'll see what happens. But their goal is to get on as many top exchanges as possible, and Binance is their top goal. And then we do have the 5th game beta release as well. So they're developing as many games as possible to give SRK more utility and increase the amount of adoption for the SparkPoint platform. So a quick disclaimer, I am a marketing advisor for the SparkPoint project, but I don't work hands-on with the team. I just advise their CEO, Andy, on marketing advice when they ask for it. And if I come across anything that would be useful to help spread the word of SparkPoint, I let them know as well. I don't actually work hands-on. This video is not sponsored. They didn't pay me to talk about this, and no project can pay me to be bullish as well, just to let you guys know. Also, they paid me early on in SRK, and I haven't sold a single SRK from that payment, and I've only been buying more and more dollar cost averaging into this because I see the long-term vision. They're constantly adding more utility to the token, adding more team members, and expanding and getting new exchanges and everything. So I definitely see this as a great long-term investment. 5 to 10 years down the line, I think this is going to be in the top 50. So as you guys have probably heard, NFTs are becoming extremely popular. because a lot of famous people are launching NFTs and raising millions of dollars. This is basically collectibles that are on the blockchain, which is huge. We had Mark Cuban launch some NFTs as well on the Rarible platform. So I will be talking more about NFTs in the upcoming couple weeks, but this article here states former MLB star sells $1 million worth of NFTs in 1 minute. Just insane how popular NFTs are becoming. An altcoin I actually picked up yesterday is Enjin Coin, and this is up 25% today. This is a gaming coin that's big on NFTs as well. They have a $500 million market cap, which is pretty small for all the major utility they're building for the coin. So I will be doing another video on NFTs coming up and my top NFT coin picks as well, so definitely look out for that. Other major news here is Visa and MasterCard are raising their fees, and merchants may look to crypto instead. So what we have coming very soon that I think is bigger than anything to date is PayPal launching crypto merchant payments, basically allowing any merchant that uses PayPal to accept payment to now accept Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash as payment as well for their services. So cryptocurrencies have fees, but so do payment cards, and cryptocurrency fees tend to be smaller unless you're using the Ethereum blockchain. So PayPal launching this, they did announce Q1 for the merchant payment launch of cryptocurrencies. So March is the last month in Q1. Hopefully there's no delays with that, because that's another reason why I'm very bullish on Litecoin. Litecoin being the cheapest cryptocurrency option on PayPal. Also, I think it's extremely undervalued compared to Bitcoin, and a lot of people consider Litecoin the silver to Bitcoin being gold. Litecoin does have better fees and transaction times as well. So for Litecoin to get to $1,000 in 2021 would still be less than $100 billion market cap. So with Bitcoin recently passing $1 trillion market cap, for Litecoin to have less than 100 billion is still less than 1/10 the market cap of Bitcoin. So if Litecoin really is the silver to Bitcoin gold, then I think hitting a $100 billion market cap for Litecoin in 2021 is going to be very easy, especially since it's on PayPal and going to be accepted by thousands of merchants very soon. They also have a privacy feature coming to Litecoin, making it the only top 10 cryptocurrency that'll have both public and private transaction options, which is massive, and I think that's going to bring a lot of attention to Litecoin here, especially launching on PayPal at the same time. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to sign up for Kucoin using my link in the video description. It does support the channel, and I appreciate that. Also, if you guys are new to the crypto space, I recommend checking out my cryptocurrency guides playlist here on my channel. Lots of valuable information in here that'll definitely help you get a better start and get educated in cryptocurrency to avoid major mistakes and everything. Also check out my recent video that I did yesterday, turning $1,000 into $10,000 trading challenge. I'll be updating you guys with these videos once every week or two throughout 2021, and I definitely think we're going to be able to hit our goal of doing 10x, turning 1K into 10K. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. A free way to support the channel, if you did find this video useful, is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.